Hi parents, I'm really excited to share a new resource that American Reading Company has uploaded to ClassLink. I really think you're going to find this beneficial. If you scroll down to the ARC bookshelf right here, this is where you'll find books on your child's reading level. So once you click in ARC bookshelf, you're going to want to go to the left-hand side where it says collection over here and scroll down, and these are the colored books. So if your child is reading one green books, you would select that, and all the one green books in their library will pop up. If your child is one blue, you would select that, and let's say you want to read How Birds Eat. You would turn the pages up here at the top right, and your child can read the books at their pace. Okay, I'm super excited about this because this is more tailored to your child's instructional reading level, and they have access to way more books at their level. So please take advantage of this and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.